Hey, it's Clyde Foylan with CritterCoin. Today we're going to be talking about a core feature on our platform, rewards. Rewards are a great way to incentivize your students. When students earn digital coins, they also earn virtual currency called reward points. When students earn enough reward points, they can purchase rewards from your school's reward store. Students can purchase their own rewards, or teachers can purchase them on their behalf. This is a great way for your students to learn about budgeting, especially if reward costs vary in your reward store. Rewards can be tangible things like school merchandise or candy, or intangible things such as lunch perks or extra device time. You can even make quests available to purchase in your reward store, allowing students to go on fun learning adventures powered by AI. It's important to add rewards that motivate your students. This will encourage the outcomes you want to see in your school, leading to a successful PBIS implementation. Reward store purchases can be redeemed by admins and teachers in real time, as well as specific students that have been chosen to run the reward store. By scanning reward vouchers, reward store managers can fulfill or refund reward purchases in seconds from the CritterCoin app. Creating a reward store is easy. Simply follow our AI setup wizard and you'll have a reward store ready to go in minutes. Thanks for watching.